What's up, everybody? I just want to make kind of a quick video because I'm not going to be around this weekend. I did buy space yesterday. I'll talk about that in a second. There's something else I wanted to talk about really quick before I jumped into this. But oh yeah, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, so the market hasn't even opened. This could definitely change by the end of the day. I'll be keeping watch on it, but I'm not going to be able to make a video like I said, so that's why I kind of just wanted to crank out a quick video this morning. So, you guys are updated. I decided to take a position on space. It fell yesterday, like 15% at some point. There was news that Richard Branson, the CEO, the guy who owns it, sells 150 million to Virgin Galactic stock, so that's actually really bad news. But I think it got, in my opinion, it got overextended a little too much to the downside, and we also kind of caught this little support area at about like 23 bucks. So I'm in at 23.20 basically. If we go to like a bigger time frame, we'll go to like the weekly. Yeah, it's fine. These are all weekly candles. We got this big kind of trend line going all the way up. It seems that this seems very strong. However, from this to this is still like 8 to 10%. So I still think it might have room to go down, but I kind of wanted to catch maybe a small little bounce to like here to there, you know. I mean, this trend line's okay, but yeah, you kind of got some candles here and there. It's probably just like right here. But yeah, that's kind of some support area. I was like, let's just take a trade on, why not? But I think if it does hit this trend line, it should really hold. I mean, again, it might not, but I'd make a bet saying it probably would. But yeah, that's kind of why I decided to do that. I don't love it at that price. I like it at this trend line, and especially this line here. But that's got a long way to come. My stop loss for this, I don't want it to get to this trend line, you know, because I entered it early. But if it definitely breaks down this trend line on like a 1-day candle, I'm out. That'd be a pretty significant loss, maybe like a 10%. But this thing is kind of volatile too, so like here to here is like 20%, which would be like, I don't think that would be a hard move to get to. So we'll just see what happens in the pre-market today. It's kind of just riding above that line. Hopefully it stays there. But yeah, let's go. Rocket Mortgage, we're still holding this kind of. I drew this line. Why is it not loading? This line, because there's a bunch of wicks here, so this is still some kind of support area or resistance. Right now it's kind of acting as both, because we have almost like dojis. But yeah, I'm not really looking to add. Hopefully we get back. I'm at 25, so again I'm down like 10%. Almost. Just kind of holding this. I think I'm gonna cut it off soon. Let's see. Those are definitely the two big things we had to talk about. Also, all the gold and silver stuff were booming yesterday. As of right now, silver's also up 1.2% or 1.25. So this is not silver, but so it's moving. It's playing some catch up, but we're actually back to 26. Ooh. Gold also yesterday had a massive day. Massive big up candle. I guess not massive, but it's pretty big, especially last 2 days up like 2.5% for gold. That's pretty big. So things like NEM and KL popped off. These are daily. Let's go to 4 hours. Yeah, they're trekking higher. Actually, I don't like when it's so zoomed in. These are 4-hour candles now. Just big pops. KL still going. I didn't get my full position position back here, but we have enough, I think. Yeah, I think mag, yeah, mag too. Basically anything with gold and silver in its name did well yesterday. It looks like it's on pace to do pretty well today as well. This is a crude. Let's take a quick glance at Bitcoin and also the DXY. Why is it so laggy? My internet's been like this the last few days. Actually, like a week. Not too sure what's happening. What the heck am I looking at? What is this? I guess go to like a 1 day. I wonder if this is the program though that's lagging a little bit. You know, so if this, I definitely do want to see this fall because of just my portfolio. Obviously, in like the long run, you kind of want to see this increase because that means our money's worth more. But for the trades I have on this going down means I make money. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's see if the chart down. There we go. Oh, did hit that 65K, coming down a little bit. I'm kind of interested. Is that weekly? Yeah. So that on the weekly, we're gonna see that. So unless it gets above that today, that's looking kind of bearish on a weekly chart based on that candle. Did we talk about this? I don't remember. ASO is it's like a $3 billion retail sport and outdoor company. Some subscriber or person who watched the video mentioned about it. I kind of like the business. They're growing pretty rapidly. I didn't look too much into it to be honest, but from what I saw, I do like the business. Not from a fundamental point of view. Like I wouldn't really trade this. I'd probably buy it. It is a little extended since earnings. You know, 25%. That's pretty up there, but it doesn't seem to be pulling back a little bit. So maybe I'd buy some just for the hell of it. Oh, that's a good candle on JDX. So HBNN is another someone mentioned in the Discord. I forgot what news this was. Digital manages social media market brings profitability to webs 3% or 3 decent. I'm not really sure what this news article is about, but basically they had a good news yesterday. They're up like 90% at one point, but they kind of got slapped down really hard. So, but it's interesting business. We're still looking at MO. Oh yeah, the plays we're looking at MO, Apple, and where'd it go? SPG. Still being patient, gonna see if it gives me the entry down here. Right now I have like no cash, so if this play opens up or something, I'm just gonna get rid of Rocket Mortgage. It's whatever, or I guess Space, but Rocket Mortgage I'm kind of just bag holding at this point. Like the play didn't work out, I should have got out literally weeks ago. 2 weeks ago I should just sold it. So but I'm kind of hoping for a miracle, and that's not really what you want in trading. But yes, I wanted to see, what's that one called? Oh, it's Skate CG. Oh wow, that really went down. Wow. That's not the one. Oh yes. Oh, and VRF. You know, at $3. That's a pretty strong support, but yeah, I'm not really looking to get in this back yet. Maybe not at all. Definitely a big channel. Is that actually, that was a little above $3, $3.10. I should probably put this back on the watch list, but I do This actually looks exactly like the chart of gold. It's cool. Even though it's like a silver royalty company. I'm just looking at these. I haven't seen these in a while. Yeah, Barrick Gold. That's kind of crazy. Look at that. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6, 7 months of darkness. And now we're finally seeing some light. It kind of looks like it's beautiful. Hopefully it persists, but anyway, kind of just wanted a little bit of a quick video just to keep you guys updated on this trade. Hopefully it kind of works out well, but definitely a little bit riskier, kind of trying to catch that falling knife. Kind of dumb. Should have probably waited for the trend line, but you know, just feeling a little risky. Hopefully nothing happens like bad over this weekend because I got like all my money in something. So if like it not crashes, but like if we get a big pullback, especially because the SPY is popping off, like if we get some pullback, like I don't have any cash to kind of buy something on that opportunity, but I'll see what